Hey guys, SUYOON here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing another Yeezy. If you're following the Yeezy drop, you know that Lundmark for America exclusive was dropped last week. There was July 11th, which was the reflective Lundmark, and July 13th, which was the regular non-reflective Yeezy. Again, this was the exclusive version for America. There's another one for Africa and Asia and Australia region, and there's another exclusive for Europe and Russia. The synth was dropped first. That was the Asia and Africa drop, and then the Antilla, which was the Russia and Europe exclusive Yeezy, that was dropped second. And again, this Lundmark was the last one to drop. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I wasn't able to get the reflective again. Reflective is the limited quantity. It was dropped in Yeezy supply, but for me, I was working at the time, so I wasn't able to stay on top of it to get the reflective one. But I was able to get the non-reflective on Saturday morning through Yeezy supply. Again, I was on a queue for Adidas and Yeezy supply, and I got in through Yeezy supply pretty quick, and I was able to get one. Looking at the box, it's pretty much regular 350 Yeezy box. Again, 350 on the front, boost in the side with Yeezy 350 9.5 for my size. So let's open up. Whew, look at this. If you look at the Yeezy for Lundmark, the design is pretty unique. Again, I think this is very similar to the design of the triple black that dropped earlier this year. The stripe here is very, you could kind of see through it. You could definitely see my finger if I press it against it. Similar to the black, there's no Supply 350 written on it. And again, it has a very unique pattern style that you don't really see on the regular or earlier version of 350 V2s. There is no pull tab on the back. I think the black one had the pull tab, so it kind of went back to the older version of Yeezys. The earlier ones did not have the pull tab. I'll bring some out here later on, kind of do the compare contrast kind of look. It kind of looked like more static. I don't have the static, which was dropped December 2018 for me to show the comparison, but actually looks very similar to the static 350. I like the fact that they didn't put the pull tab. I think it's been a while since they created an Yeezy without a pull tab. The only thing that I could remember is the bread, and I'll bring the bread here real quick, which also has no pull tab here. As far as I remember, I think even the going back to the gray, even the Oreo had pull tab, so only the really early version of 350 has no tab. So if you look at the black one, which is still in that stock, I haven't wore it. This has the pull tab here, as opposed to back here there's no pull tab. I actually really like the pull tab. It kind of gives me the leverage to put my foot into the shoes, but it's okay. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the Yeezy, this Lundmark. This is actually really beautiful shoes, but at the same time I have way too many Yeezys, and I'm leaning more toward reselling. On Go and StockX, these are going for over $350. I bought them at a retail for $220. And shout out to Yeezy Supply for taking away the shipping cost. They used to cost $10 to ship across the United States, and then me being in New Jersey, there's no property sales tax on clothes and sneakers and whatnot, so I was able to get it straight retail, 220 bucks. So when I resell this at above 350, there's definitely money to be made, even after the commission I will be giving to the resale sites. That being said, I'll hold on to it and see how the price fluctuates. But there are other Yeezys coming soon. I think there was a blue one that's coming out, kind of like a light blue, and then I think there was more like clay color that's supposed to drop. So I'll definitely try to get my hands on those for the unboxing. But for these, I'll let you know what I do with this. And as always, let's try this on. I'll show you a little bit on foot, and then we'll wrap it up.